Welcome to the Remote Accountants and Income channel. I'm your host, Vince. Today I have some important announcements to make, both for this channel and for the Facebook group. And so the first thing I want to talk about, guys, is the QuickBooks tutorial that I have been posting about on my Facebook group. The tutorial is almost ready for everybody, and for those who are interested, that is. And so I had some questions about it. The first one is that they wanted to make sure it wasn't a lecture versus a tutorial, for what I could gather from the comment. And so I want to let you guys know that it is not a lecture per se. It is somebody talking about QuickBooks and going through it. And it's the full cycle on QuickBooks, like accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll, different aspects of bookkeeping. And so it's going to show you about that in screen shares, so you can see and follow along as you go through QuickBooks, understand like where you go to do the bookings, where you go to have certain fields and enter the information you need. So you're going to follow along with that. There is going to be somebody that's talking, of course, to guide you guys in that, but it's not like a lecture. It's not like me sitting here in a chair and just talking about QuickBooks and you don't ever see it. So in that sense, it's not like that. It's a tutorial so you guys can see what it is, follow along with that. And if you have QuickBooks, you can go to the software and be able to do the same thing. So that's the purpose of that QuickBooks tutorial. So that's going to be ready soon. I'm super happy about that. There's a little bit of delay on it, and so that's okay. We're just making sure it's going to be put together right, but it will be available soon, and so I'll have that available for the folks who are interested. So I wanted to let everyone know about the progress on the QuickBooks tutorial, and also wanted to let you guys know about what it is and what it's not. So again, it's not a lecture. It's not somebody just talking about QuickBooks and saying, oh, go here, here. And it's going to be better, by the way, than a YouTube tutorial. I know there's a lot of stuff on YouTube. You can kind of go through it and follow along. This one is a full-on hour and a half of tutorial where you go through and you can see the full cycle, bookkeeping cycle on QuickBooks, versus like a certain segment that you'll find on YouTube, or a couple of segments stitched together. And this is done by a guy, this video that is going to be available for people, it's done by a guy who is certified in QuickBooks, so he knows what he's doing in doing that. I could have done it myself too as well. I'm not certified in QuickBooks. I've used it before, but I wanted to get somebody who was certified, who has a little more knowledge even than I had. That way you guys get the best video that's out there for you guys. So reach out to me, by the way, comment below, or go on my Facebook group and send me a direct message, or even comment somewhere where you see a post about it, and let me know that you're interested. I had several people that are interested, so I'll talk to them about how to get their hands on that video when it becomes available. So I wanted to leave you guys that quick update. Guys, as always, subscribe. Hit the like button. It always helps me out in this channel. And I wanted to give you guys a job announcement time today. Here's today, Wednesday, June 1st. Happy June. May is now done. It's hard to believe. Time is flying. So Wednesday, June 1st, it's about noon here, Pacific Standard Time. So today, I'm going to give you guys plenty of time to check out this video so you know the time and to be ready for it on Facebook. That I'll be posting on Facebook the job opportunities at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time here, June 1st. So that gives you guys about 5 hours to prepare for that on Facebook, to be ready for that. I tell everyone on my group and as well on this channel that subscribing to this channel is a way that you guys can find out those job opportunities first. So that way when I post about those, you guys can sit there and see if it's a good fit for you and catch it in time and reply to it and make sure everything is going to be good for you. As I've always said in all my videos, these jobs are not my own. So, please don't send me messages saying, oh, I'm a great accountant and I'm certified in these areas. What jobs do you have for me? I don't have the jobs for you myself, but these are people that come to me on my group and they say they have job opportunities, and I'll let them do their posting on there after I screen it for making sure it's accounting related, finance related, and things like that. I screen it for that, but I post it on the group so you guys can find that, and then you can do your own research on your own end. Send emails, personal messages, comment to make sure that the job is legitimate, that it's going to be something that's going to work for your career. So let you guys know a little bit about that. So today, once again, June 1st, Wednesday, here at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I will be posting on the Facebook group. I had somebody left a comment, by the way, that asked me where I was posting it, that they're confused whether it's on QuickBooks, not QuickBooks, whether it was on YouTube or whether it's going to be somewhere else, and it's not on YouTube where I post about the job opportunities. I tell you the time, but that posting is always in the Facebook group, and that link is there down below. It's called the Remote Accounting / Bookkeeping, and the business is hiring them. That's where I do all those job postings that go through on the group, and people can apply for them. One word of advice for guys too is I leave those job postings on there and just go through and check not only the recent ones but like older ones too. I've been surprised, but I've seen great opportunities on there, and I've seen one or two comments, or if sometimes none, and it's a great opportunity, and I know that a lot of people are looking for jobs. I get people that say to me all the time, hey, I'm looking for a position, I'm looking for a position. So go through and see new opportunities as well as old opportunities, and see if there's any posts on there that had relatively few posts that maybe it applies for you and you can get a remote position. Most positions I post, by the way, that come to me, are remote in nature, and so I post it on there. Not everyone is remote. Some people want you to be in a certain country or want you to be in an area at the office building, whatever it may be. That does happen, but a lot of them are remote. And so just you have to ask those kind of questions to make sure it's going to be, again, a good fit for you guys. So that's it for the updates to guys. Thank you very much for participating in the group. We've got 30,000 strong members in the Facebook group. This YouTube channel is approaching now 800 subscribers. That's been wonderful. We'll keep great content for you guys. I'll keep the best as I can. This YouTube, not YouTube, but the QuickBooks tutorial is something that I've been focusing on for a while. I'm glad to get this done. I'll keep providing more value for you guys, more content for you guys. And it's going to be kind of a building thing, right? Like once I develop videos like the tutorials that are filmed and done, there'll have to be updates down the line, but at least we'll be able to use those for many months ahead, if not years ahead. And so it kind of stacks on each other, so that way you guys will have more material available to you guys as it becomes available to me as I create that material. So a little bit about myself before I sign off today. I'm an accountant myself. I've been an accountant for 20 years. And so this is something that I've just been doing for a while. And so I say 20, it's been over 23 years. 6 solid years in remote accounting, so I do know a lot about accounting and a lot about how to help you guys out as best as I can. So guys, that's it for today's video. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.